This is how you install the AC7 screen protector on the AC7 OLED. What you'll get in the package with your AC7 screen protector is the screen protector itself, a cleaning cloth, and this small plastic tool to push out bubbles. So the first thing you want to do is take your cleaning cloth that came with it and throw it away, because it's going to get dust all over your screen. And instead, take your SmallHD box that your AC7 monitor shipped in, open it up, and take the cleaning cloth that came with that. It's going to be a small black cloth with SmallHD logo on it. Use that cloth to wipe clean the monitor and get all the dust off of it. Once it's nice and clean, you want to take your screen protector and look for the tab with the number 1 on it. Then you want to remove the film that's on the screen protector by pulling on that tab. Once you have that removed, you want to line up the screen protector with the side of the OLED monitor. And basically what you want to do is you want to slowly lay the screen protector down. Not just put it all down at once, but kind of ease it into place like I'm doing. Walk it forward with your fingers. This is just the best way to get as few bubbles in there as possible to start with. There's going to be bubbles no matter what, and that's why we have the bubble removal tool. But this way you have less that you have to move once you got it laid down. So basically this is probably going to be about what you see once you have that laid down. You then want to take your tool and just working from the center, just push these bubbles out. And you kind of have to do one bubble at a time, and it can take a couple minutes, but you just want to slowly push them out, like so. Now you're going to see like little scratches appear on the front of the screen protector. That's okay because there's still another protective film on this that will be peeling off once we're done getting the bubbles out. And don't be afraid to put a little pressure on it, because you need to apply some force for this to work. You can see we've got pretty much half of this whole half is bubble free. So like I said, it does take a little time, but they will come out. One of the major problems that does tend to crop up if it's looking really bad at this point is maybe you installed it backwards. Make sure that this little tab you're looking at here has a number 2 and not the number 1. If it has the number 1, you've installed it backwards and you're never going to get it to look good. You'll want to just go ahead and use the other one that came in the 2-pack. If you did happen to not get all the dust off the screen before you started, right about here is where you'll start to see the stubborn ones that aren't going away. If you have a bubble that's not going away no matter what you do, it's probably dust on the screen underneath the bubble, and there's not too much you can do about it. And if it's just a tiny bubble, it might be something you can live with, but if not, you might want to try again, use another screen protector. But as you can see right now, I've got pretty much all my bubbles out, and since I have that, I can go ahead and take off the second screen. And as you can see, we've got a screen protector installed, and it looks pretty much perfect.